Welcome us once again to another episode of Maths Phobia. Alright, now the previous two classes we had, we looked at finding the determinant of matrices. And I told us that the condition required to find the determinant of any matrix is that the matrix must be a square matrix. What do we mean by a square matrix? It means that the number of rows, the number of rows, yes, and the number of columns must be the same. So we have a 2 by 2 matrix, a 3 by 3 matrix. We can find the determinant of that type of matrix. Now, today we're looking at multiplication of two matrices. Now, looking at this first matrix, we have something like this. We have 3, we have 1, okay? We have 1, we have minus 2. What kind of matrix is this? How many rows do we have here? Just one row. And how many columns? So one row, and this is one column, 2, 3. 3 columns. Follow me. The other one, multiplying this, 4 minus 7 minus 5. How many rows? 1, 2, 3. 3 rows. And how many columns do we have? Just one. 1 column. What does this imply? Now, this implies that for we to be able to multiply two matrices, one condition that must hold is this. The number of, let's write this. So this is this matrix is a 1 by 3 matrix, 1 row and 3 columns. And this one is a 3 by 1 matrix. So what is the condition? This 1 by 3 is called the order of this matrix. 3 by 1 is called the order of this matrix. So what is the condition for these two matrices to multiply? The condition is this. The number of columns in the first matrix must be equal to the number of rows in the second matrix. That's the condition. Number of columns here is 3. It must be equal to the number of rows in the second matrix, which is 3. If that holds, then it means we can multiply this matrix. But if that does not hold, if the number of columns in the first matrix is not equal to the number of rows in the second matrix, it means we cannot multiply this matrix. The multiplication, we have no result, no solution. Okay, so how do we multiply this quickly? Since we've agreed that, we'll take the first row by column, row by column, and row by column, and then we are done. So what do I mean? Let's start. So what's the first value here? We have 3. So that will be 3 times the first one here. So we're multiplying row times column. Row times column. That's the principle. So let's go. So we have 3 times 4 plus 3 times 4 plus the next 1 times minus 7. Go on, plus minus 2 times minus 5. So 3 times 4 we have that, plus 1 times minus 7 we have this, plus minus 2 times minus 5 we have this. So what do we have? We have 12 plus 7 plus minus 2 times minus 5. That will give us what? Plus 10, plus 3. And what is 12 plus 7? That's 19. 19 plus 10, that gives us 29. And that is the result of multiplying these two matrices. See you in the next class as we delve deeper into matrices. Thank you very much. Please like and share this video so that students that are having issues with topics like this, they can solve them easily by following these steps. Thank you very much.